Hey guys, what up everybody? Today we're gonna be taking you to my Rubik's Cube like puzzle collection thing. Well, whatever. So let's just get right to the video. So as you can see right here, this is a McDonald's cube. Well, this is from one of my cousins. She gave it to me, and because she doesn't use it a lot, really, so she decided to give it to me then, because she knows how much I like these things. Well, like really. Let me just let's see. See, that's done. Because this is done. This is also done. This is literally done. Okay, let's move on to the next one. This 3x3 cube is actually my This cube is actually my sister's. Well, this is a 3x3. Well, it's my sister as well. Sorry if I took so long. I accidentally paused there. This is my 2x2 cube. I do like these. Right, next up is also my sister's, which is this. We got this one from Buffalo because we went there for vacation. Let's move on. Sorry about that. Is this? This is a mirror cube. The first time I got this thing, I was using it for a while until I messed up on this thing. And you know, this is currently corrupted and it's not like disordered, and it's not actually in its cube version. Alright. What we got here is the Magic Star Cube. My mom ordered this from Amazon, and I wanted my mom to order this thing from, let me just say this, van19.com, because van19.com sells them. I like their curiously awesome. I do like their curiously awesome products, so I like them a lot. Seriously, I do. All right, next over here is the last one, my sister's. Here's the cube. This is from her school. The turning is a bit slow. I could say that. Let's try and solve this using a secret pattern. Oh, come on. The turning is very slow. And we got it. I learned this secret pattern from a TikToker, and he's got a lot of views and likes. He's actually really famous. He's got a bunch of cool pics. His TikToks are actually really cool. I kind of like them. So is this Rubik's Cube. If you kids are at school or are from a school which known as Waddell Elementary, you can get one of these. And if you aren't at Waddell Elementary, you don't get these. like literally you don't. All right, so that's my entire collection. Let's just go through these again. 2x3, 3x3, mirror cube, 3x3, 2x2, another 2x3, star cube. Yes, it is it is like a 2x2. Goes. Look at these. They're both the same. Like that. There. And next up here is Yukon Huskies Rubik's Cube. Alright, so that's it for now. And hope you guys hit that like button, and it will turn blue. And it will turn blue. I kind of like that joke. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Click all notifications. Turn on all your notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. That's all for today. See you guys later. Peace out. Here, let me just try and